This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, one of the best vlogging cameras in the history of mankind. And these are the best accessories for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I'm going to tell you about that today. I'm Pavel Baturin, a landscape photographer living in Serbia, and several months ago I bought this strap just to use my Osmo Pocket 3 on location, hands-free. And recently Telecine contacted me and offered to do a review on other Osmo Pocket 3 accessories. And they sent me this stuff for review, but they didn't sponsor this video, no money changed hands, and Telecine didn't see this review before publishing, so everything is pretty transparent. So what have we got here? First of all, a new neck holder. Boom. But to attach a camera to this strap, you have to use the battery. This rim is made of very nice dense material. It holds its shape, it's pretty lightweight, and it's just the right size to keep the hoop from falling off your head. There is a great secure latch here. Quite a convenient design. So you can hook an Osmo Pocket 3 here, or any action camera, or even your phone, and this device will be securely fastened around your neck. And comparing to this version, which looked, frankly speaking, not very aesthetically pleasing in my opinion, new version is a definite breakthrough in terms of design. But talking specifically about Osmo Pocket 3, you can attach it here only with the battery, and the battery got its height. So as you can see, it's quite tall. In some situations, camera could cover your face like this. It's not quite a fundamental problem, but it's my duty to point it out so that you take it into account. So if you have an action camera or you shoot POV with your phone, this is a great device. Very comfortable and well designed. I will definitely be using this strap for my POV shooting on locations. I like the material. I like how it holds the shape I want. I like this snap with the button. Telecine designers have done an amazing job since the last version. Respect. So definitely highly recommended for purchase. And yes, you will find links to all the items I review today in the description of this video. These are affiliate links, and if you make a purchase, I will get some tiny commission and it will help me to grow this channel. The next accessory is the hard holder for Osmo Pocket 3. I was waiting for this plastic case the most with great anticipation, and it turned out to be the most controversial item from everything I received this time. But first things first. So you put Osmo Pocket 3 to this holder, like this. You close the door and lock it. It's steady as hell, and the camera is held here very tightly. So if you have an action camera mounts for your bicycle or motorbike, this is just a must-have item. All the buttons on the camera are easily accessible. Screen is rotating nicely, so no problem at all. I only have one issue about this thing. Take a look here and pay your attention to the side which this holder is situated. This is designed to attach the Osmo Pocket 3 to the handlebars of your bicycle. It's hard to explain, let me show you what I mean. My idea was to use both things together. But since this mount is located here, When I attach it to the neck holder, my camera will stay like this, with the screen outside of me, and it's useless. That's why for me this device is kinda useless. It's nice, and probably once in the summer I will attach my Osmo Pocket 3 to my bicycle with this stuff, but not now. For POV shooting, it's just a wrong device. It feels like something very durable and very high quality. It's just not for me. And last but not least, Telesync kindly provided me with this set of filters for Osmo Pocket 3. And those filters are just amazingly nice designed. It's hard to show. For example, this is the CPL filter for Osmo Pocket 3. And take a look how thin this is. And for sure it's magnetic. And it's so thin so you can switch off your camera with this filter on. You switch your camera on and your filter is already on the camera. This is brilliant. All the filters in this set are magnetic and they attached to the camera just by one click. All the filters are very thin. I believe it's just kind of 1.5 millimeters. So what we got here is ND64, ND256 and ND16. And these are very high quality filters. No issues with color cast whatsoever. Highly recommended. I will definitely use those filters outside during my next shooting in the forest or just in the city. So if you are interested how those filters performs, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell so you don't miss this upcoming video. So I just want to add my overall opinion about all the items Telesync has provided to me. All of those items feels like high quality products. It's just a pleasure to feel it in your hand. Even this stuff. I'm just looking forward to use this item with my bicycle in springtime. I just want to say thank you to Telesync for providing me those items for review. Please let me know in the comments what do you think about all these items. And thank you very much for watching. Ciao for now.